Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, make sure the minor 4 and case are charged, then remove both earbuds. Hold the left earbud's power button for about 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode rather than normal connect. Once the LED pulses, you've entered the device state that accepts resets and new connections. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and scanning. Don't skip removing both buds. The reset targets stored pairings on each earbud, so you need both active for the next steps. Now perform the factory reset by pressing and holding both earbud buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 12 seconds. You'll see alternating LED behavior or a rapid flash pattern. This indicates the restore to factory routine is running. Once you release the buttons after the flash, put the earbuds back in the open case and close it for 10 seconds to let them finalize settings. After reopening, the LEDs should be steady or off, indicating the reset completed and stored pairings were cleared. Finish by pairing. With the case open and earbuds out, select Marshall Minor 4 in your phone's Bluetooth list. If the device doesn't appear, toggle Bluetooth off and on or restart your phone to clear its cache. Once connected, test audio and controls. If audio or pairing fails, fully charge case and buds, then repeat the reset sequence. A second reset often clears stubborn firmware or cache issues. If problems persist, contact support after noting LED behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.